You probably won't believe this, but I have a little visitor that got into the house through the cat door, and it ran around the house or flew around the house and bonked itself on a couple of windows, and I finally was able to pick it up after it knocked itself stunned. Then I brought it outside and was going to release it, but I think it's gotten comfortable. So I'm just waiting for it to get its senses back, and I'm pretty sure he'll fly off in just a few minutes. I'm just laughing about this. I definitely have a nest full of crazy hair up there, so it probably thinks it's a good thing. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Of course, I have no makeup on or anything, but yeah, look around, little baby. Look around. I hope you fly off. Are you recovered from your stun? That window was pretty hard when you smacked into it, didn't it? Oh, there it goes. Bye-bye, birdie.